Today's we are going to learn how to do some video editing. Okay, I also got my phone with me to show you guys how to create a Facebook like video. Now, you can see on your Facebook, there are many like videos happening, and a lot of times you will just like skip them by. As I mentioned, if you actually watch on Facebook, there's so many videos, and what we want to do is this: we want to capture the attention as soon as possible. Otherwise, if people don't know what the video is about, they will just skip it, correct? Example, there's a video right here, or I'm doing a video right now. So let me just give you an example of what I've been doing and how you can create a video that's similar to this. We are going to create a video that's something like this.
How to animate yourself in less than...
You can see that, okay, I want to show you guys how to actually create the subtitles and also have the banner on top, all using this software called CAPCUT. Very, very simple software. And I'm going to share my screen. You can see this software called CAPCUT. You can see right over here, CAPCUT. I'm going to tap on it, CAPCUT, and I'm going to click on New Project. And I have created this video just now, this 54 seconds video. Let me just tap the right bottom. Okay, by the right bottom here, there's an ad. Let me just add it. And this is what it looks like. Now, in order for us to do, let's say, a Facebook video, right? The first thing that I want you guys to do is, you see at the bottom panel, I'm scrolling it left and right. There's many functions, edit, audio, text, and things like that, right? You can scroll to this thing called format, right between filters and canvas format. Click on this. I'm going to tap 1:1. It becomes a square video. You can put feeds. You can put 9:16. This will be more like a TikTok video. 16:9. This is more like a YouTube video, and 1:1 is like a Facebook video. So it's taking up the whole screen. Now I'm just going to leave it as such, because when I took my video, this video, right, it is I would say like, what do you call it? It's actually like sort of like vertical, so that there's space on top and below. But even if it's like a long video, it's okay. In the end, your final video output will be square. Basically, I'm talking about having 3 ways to get more followers. Okay, the first thing that I do, right, is of course I'll cut away certain parts that I don't want and stuff like that, right? But you can see my video is here. I'm looking okay, everything and so on and so on. Okay, at a certain point in time, right, there's a video that the video when I'm talking, I actually said something wrong. So I want to cut off that portion. Okay, so this part, I actually make a mistake, this part. So you can see the white color line. If y'all can see the white color line, is the part where the video is showing to the screen. Okay, now when let's say I want to cut from here, I'm pointing my finger, right? This part where I'm pointing a finger, I want to cut away. Okay, I'm going to click on split. Again, split is at the bottom. The left corner, you can see split. I'm going to click split. Okay, then you can see that now it is 2 video. I can select this front part or the back part, front part or back part, and I can click delete. Okay, it's at the bottom again, delete. I'm going to point at the white line and click delete, and it disappears. And by default, the video last portion, it will show CAPCUT. You can even delete away that portion. So again, you can see where the white line is pointing. You can see CAPCUT appearing. I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to delete again. So last part, there's no CAPCUT. Okay, great. Once you have cleaned up the video, okay, this is called cleaning up the video, cutting away the parts that you don't want. The next portion, what I like to do is this. I'm going to go to text. Again, at the bottom, you can see there's this thing, text. It's between audio and stickers. I'm going to click on text. And this is my favorite part of the whole software. Can you see auto caption? There's this particular add text, text template, and auto caption. Let me just show you guys the magic. I'm going to click on auto caption and I'm going to tap add caption. I'm going to use the original sound of the video. Basically, usually I just go by default. Continue. Okay, and give it a few seconds. All right, my friends, can you see that there is actually the captions below already? Hi friends, I want to share with you 3 ways to get more It is auto captions. Even my English is not like super. It's normal. I would say it's normal. But you can see that now automatically there's subtitles. I'm going to tap on the first one. Okay, hi friends, today, correct? Can you see that the subtitle is being selected? I'm going to drag it bigger. Okay, once I drag it bigger, right, all the other subtitles will be automatically become bigger. Okay, so now let me show you this. As I tap on the subtitle again, hi friends, today, can you see below there's style? I'm going to click on style. Okay, and I can choose different styles, different font. Hi, okay, it can be like this, terror, okay, midnight, okay, so many different fonts, alright? Personally, I actually like the default one. You can see below, you can choose the color as well. Let me explain a few things to you guys. So for example, right, let's say edit the subtitles. You can double tap on the subtitles. You can see that, okay, when I double tap, the words come out. So example, I want to hi friends, right? I can actually adjust hi friends. Okay, and it's very weird, like it's hi friends today, then the sentence is like not here nor there, right? So hi friends, I can adjust, make it, you see I'm going to drag and make the subtitle longer or shorter. Remember, it's against the timeline. And then this one, I'm going to put a today in this sentence as well. Double tap, today, I want to share with you. Okay, so I want to sound a bit more cool. I want to share with you three ways to grow your followers. Maybe the 3 ways should be here. So there's a bit of editing involved. So play around with it. After a while, it'll become pretty simple. So for me, typically once it's done, right, and most of the things are done, right? Number one, provide good content and things like that. Okay, so this is the first step, have subtitle. Now, I also want to show you guys, right, how to actually create a title on top. Okay, what I mean by on top, let me show you immediately. At the bottom screen, can you see at the left corner, there's a back arrow. I'm going to click back again all the way to the main menu. I'm going to click on text and I'm going to add text. Now, so this one, I'm going to type 3 ways to increase followers. Okay, can you see that? Okay, the reason why I want to type this, right, I'm going to put this on top so that immediately my audiences will know what is the title of this video, and there's a reason for them to actually watch this video. Can you see that it is actually at the bottom? But you can see, if you look at the title, if I scroll through the video as I'm talking, it will end here. And you see on top, right on top, the title has disappeared. As I scroll at the video, it will disappear. So what do? I want it to appear throughout the video. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to drag, the right corner of the title all the way to the end of the video, so that throughout the video, people can see the title. 3 ways to increase followers. So you can see that it will appear throughout the video. Now, this is a very cool way to add subtitles and to gain, I would say, attention. Now, let me show you a few. So the 3 ways to increase followers, right? I will tap on it again, and at the bottom you can see style. I'm going to click on style. I like to actually change the font of this title. I like this Barlow. Okay. I think this is more cool. I also like to change it to blue color. Okay, this is my own style, or maybe white color. Sorry, white color. If you see right here, can you see color, stroke, background? Okay, I'm going to tap on background. You see the places I'm tapping. I'm going to tap on background. I'm going to change it to blue. You can see that typically you will see like a whole entire bar across the screen, right? Let me show how I do it. I'm going to tap on this. You look at the, as I adjust the text, right? You can see how the bar looks like. I'm going to first go to the front of the text, okay? You can see I'm adjusting. Go to the front of the text and I'm going to press enter so that this line will become a second line. Okay, let me show you. Can you see this becomes a second line? So there's a top line, there's a second line. The top line is a blank line. That's why you can see the bar becomes bigger. You see, when I delete, it becomes smaller. I'm going to increase, becomes bigger. So this is what you can do to make your title bigger and nicer. But the blue color portion doesn't cover the whole entire stretch, and it looks a bit ugly, right? I'll go to the text again. You can see I'm at the text row. I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to go in front of the increase followers, right? I'm going to go back to my press enter. So it's two rows, and then I'm going to press the space bar. I'm just going to increase the space bar. Can you see when I increase the space bar, right? The blue color portion, right, stretches across the whole entire screen. Okay, but you see that my increase followers disappear. So I'm going to go to the end of the followers. Okay, I know it sounds very primitive, okay, but this is how I do it. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to increase the space there, and there the increase follower comes back to the middle. Of course, can increase the size of the whole entire thing as well. Like example, I increase the size, and then ta-da! I increase the whole entire top bar. Correct. So you can see that my video is done. Actually, right, I want to share with you guys, right, on social media, it's very important. Now it's very, I would say, at least people know what is this video about, and you can see that there's subtitles. So even if they're on the train, they can watch it. So it's pretty cool, correct? Every about 3 seconds, you can see the bar here. Okay, this is 0 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds. Every about 3 seconds, right, it is good to actually have this thing called jump cut. Jump cut means, right, the images changes. Okay, the image changes. So you see, right now it's just me talking, a bit boring, right? A bit boring. So what you want to do is about every 3 to 5 seconds, you want to have either animation or change in picture, or sometimes zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so I'm going to go to the 3 seconds. I'm going to show you 3 ways, right? I'm going to show you 3 ways. I'm going to go to 3 seconds. I'm going to tap on here. I'm going to add split. Okay, you can see at the bottom, split means that I'm going to split the video. Okay, then I'm going to go to 6 seconds. I'm going to split the video again. You can see now there's one video, the middle video, and the last video. They will even show you how many seconds it is. The first video is 2.8 seconds. It's a bit small on your handphone screen if you're looking from a handphone. The second video is 3 seconds. What I'm going to do is this. Very simple. You can do very simple things. Example, this video is isolated, right? At the bottom menu, I'm going to go back again. You can add this thing called effects. Okay, so you can see again at the bottom, you can see this thing called effects. When I click on effects, there's a video effects. Wow, so there's many cool effects I can play around with. It can be a collab. Some of these simple things, you see? Let me show you. Oh, then there's some effects. Okay, it just captures the attention of your audience. And other things you can do is this. For example, you see, is to provide good content. Now, something that I like to do is I like to actually go to this website. Let me show you guys. Pixels.com. It has a free videos, free photos. Okay, let's try social media. I'm going to tap on, you see on top, there's photos. There's also videos. I'm going to click on videos and let's see what they have. Okay, example, this is a video. I mean, okay, there are some videos, right? So all these videos are free to download. Just probably going to download this video. Okay, it's downloading already. You can see at the bottom, it's downloading. Now, once it's finished downloading, okay, it's finished downloading, right? I'll go back to to my editor CapCut. You can see right here, another 3 seconds. So about 3 seconds, 6 seconds. Okay, after 6 seconds, about 9 seconds. Okay, I'm going to go and at the bottom, y'all can see this thing called overlay. Overlay is I'm going to add something on top of my picture. I'm going to add overlay. This is the video I just downloaded. This is 18 seconds one. Just going to select about 3 seconds. Okay, I just want to change in like pictures or videos now. When I change in pictures and videos, that's where the audience attention span actually continues to watch my video. You get what I'm saying? All right, you can see, provide good content and boom, they will show this video. Obviously, you see this video is pasting above my face. Okay, you can see when I tap on it, the white edges comes out. I'm going to go to the main screen, use 2 fingers and expand it. I'm expanding it. Can you see that? So I expanded it. But guys, this is the way that you can create a very simple video, yet effective, and it's all on your handphone. Now, the final thing that I'll do, right, is actually this. I'm going to go all the way back again under the bottom menu. I'm going to go to audio. You can even add sound effects. Okay, unfortunately, you can't hear the sound. You can add laughing effect, fighting effect, magic effect, transition effect, like the zoom here and there. BGM, actually, is background music, right? You can add like relaxing background music. You can add grand background music. Then they will have all the very grand music. Okay, example, this is the music. You can't really hear it. Press the plus button. Now the music is at the bottom, and I can adjust the music. I'm going to tap on the music and adjust the volume. It's at the bottom. I know there's quite a few functions that you can play around with, but it's so cool, and it's all at your fingertips and at your handphone. Once you're done with this square video, top right hand corner, you can see there's a up button. When I tap on it, I'm going to tap on it. They will export the video, and that's where you can immediately post onto your Facebook, Instagram, and any other platforms that has square videos, like even LinkedIn. Okay, guys, I do hope that this has been useful to you guys so far, because a lot of people have been asking me how to actually edit videos. And last time I used to use other software, but now CapCut is amazingly crazy. It's free and it is like professional level. So I do hope that this helps you guys. Okay, all right, see you and goodbye.